Welcome to our channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. The Ford Model T. In this car, actually it's electric, but it looks like the ancient, vintage Ford Model T. So let's talk about it. The Ford Model T, also known as the Teen Lizzie, is an iconic automobile that revolutionized the automotive industry. Produced by the Ford Motor Company from 1908 to 1927, the Model T was the first mass-produced car that made automobile ownership affordable and accessible to the average person. The Model T was designed by Henry Ford and his team with a vision to create a reliable, durable and affordable vehicle that could be manufactured efficiently. Its introduction marked a significant shift in the way cars were produced, moving from handcrafted luxury vehicles to standardized mass production. The Model T was built on a simple and robust chassis, featuring a steel frame and wooden body panels. One of the key factors that made the Model T stand out was its affordability. Through innovative production methods, such as the assembly line, Ford was able to significantly reduce the cost of manufacturing. This reduction in cost was passed on to customers, allowing the Model T to be priced competitively. As a result, millions of Americans who previously couldn't afford a car could now own one. The Model T featured a simple and utilitarian design. It had a distinctive boxy shape with a high ground clearance, making it suitable for rough roads and uneven terrain. The vehicle was available in various body styles, including a two-seater roadster, a four-seater touring car, a sedan, and a truck. The car came in a single color option, black, which was chosen for its durability and ease of application. As you see, this car is not black. Powering the Model T was a 4-cylinder, 2.9-liter engine that produced around 20 horsepower. It featured a simple planetary transmission with 2 forward gears and 1 reverse gear. The car was started with a hand crank and the transmission was controlled using pedals. It had a top speed of around 64-72 km per hour, which was quite respectable for its time. And driving the Model T required some skill, as it lacked many of the modern conveniences and features we take for granted today. There were no driver assist technologies, no power steering, and no power brakes. The car relied on mechanical systems and the driver's expertise to operate safely. The Ford Model T had a profound impact on society, transforming the way people lived, worked, and traveled. It stimulated the growth of the automotive industry, created job opportunities, and expanded mobility for millions of people worldwide. The Model T's success paved the way for the development of more advanced and sophisticated automobiles in the decades to come.